Karen Read and her defense team, they sure had a busy day. They made arguments both in federal court and here at the courthouse in Dedham.
It seems wildly inappropriate.
Karen Read's defense team faced resistance as they made their arguments.
I can tell you, I'm really not satisfied with your answer, Mr. Jackson.
They're trying to get the case thrown out before Read's second trial in the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. They say a state police lieutenant named John Fanning, who worked on the investigation, interfered with the jury in the first trial by reporting alleged misconduct by a juror.
Over the defense's objection, this very potentially defense-friendly juror was then excused.
What you state as fact, that Lieutenant Fanning had control over and access to this jury, is simply not true.
The defense also accuses police and prosecutors of withholding or altering key video of Read's SUV in the garage at the Canton Police Department. They allege it was broken after O'Keefe was killed to frame Read. But prosecutors showed other videos they say prove the taillight was broken before police took the SUV.
The Commonwealth doesn't want the condition of the taillight to be seen by anybody when it's pulled into the sally port. That is a reasonable inference.
It should have been managed better, no doubt. But there was nothing about it that was prejudicial. There was nothing about it that showed tampering or altering.
Read's attorneys were also in federal court this morning. They claim jurors in her first trial, which ended in a mistrial, actually reached unanimous not guilty verdicts on the most serious charges. They say a retrial would violate her constitutional protection against double jeopardy.
We're, of course, hopeful for a favorable result.
Now, these judges today did not make any decisions. The next hearing in this case will be here in Dedham in 2 weeks. We're live in Dedham. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.